In the last video, I showed you the type of designs that you can create. Now in this video, I want to show you how to create these designs. So let's go ahead and click on create a design. And for this example, let's say we want to create a banner ad. So we're going to go all the way down here to ads and just choose any of these ads here. Let's go with the medium rectangle ad. And we'll be brought to a page where we can select the templates and also where we can create our ad. So right now it's a blank canvas that we're looking at here, and here you can select the template. So there's free and there's paid. Let's just go for the first one here. Okay, so you could build an ad around this template, and from here it's pretty much straightforward. You could just click on here and edit. So let's just say demo. Okay, you could change the font size. Let's make it smaller to 14. You could change the text color to red, make it bold, and you could also move it around. And if you want, you could select anything here that you want to change or delete. So for example here, let's say I want to remove this cloud. I'll just select that and just click on this from the garbage icon. You could even select this image and you could flip it around. So let's say you want to flip it vertically or flip it horizontally. And again, you could edit any of the other text on this template. For now, let's look at the other tools you have at your disposal. So we'll go to the left side here. Okay, so right now we're looking at the templates. If you click on photos, you could find photos that you could use for your design. So a lot of these are paid, but there's also free photos that you could use. So let's say you want to use this, and you could change the size of it. Okay, and if you go down to elements, you could see some other types of images that you could use. So for example, use the heart. Let's just remove this for now. So let's go down, select another image. Let's go for line. So if you want to add a line to your design. Okay, and you could also go to text to add more text with different fonts. So for example, you want to use this font right here, demo. Or if you want, you could select this one. Okay, it's getting cluttered here, so let me just remove that. Okay, and below that you could go to background. So if you want, you could change the background of this design. Let's select this one for this example. And if you go to uploads, you can see all the other files and photos that you've uploaded into your account. And if you go to folders, you can see the folders that you've created. And if you go to more, you could access different apps. So for example, Pexels and Pixabay, where you could find free photos from those sites. And the other apps allow you to access other networks such as Facebook and YouTube. And here's an interesting one, Jiffy, where you can search and add GIFs to your designs. So let's click on this. And let's select this cute one here. Okay, and let's just resize this. And there you go. So from watching this video, you can see how easy it is to create your own designs using Canva.